Hey girlies, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something different. I ordered an affordable like synthetic lace wig from Aliexpress because you guys do know I do like human hair reviews. I was gonna say responses. I do human hair reviews on like AliExpress vendors and stuff. This is not an AliExpress hair vendor. This one was from a hairdresser that I got my hair done by. A wig like this could run you easily $200 to $300 depending on the length. The longer it is, the more it costs, of course, because it is human hair. And if you want a frontal, it's more expensive than if you get a closure. All of that jazz. It could easily, you know, you could easily spend $600 on getting yourself a good long wig. But they do have synthetic options on AliExpress, and a lot of you guys have been asking me to test out more like affordable options. So I did place a little order on AliExpress and I got like a couple wigs. I still have some on the way, of course, but two arrived today, so I'm going to be reviewing one of them in this video. So I paid £28 for this, including shipping. Yeah, $28.54, and it is from a seller called BeautyTown Fashion Wig store. It is ombre 22 inches. So it came in a little baggie like this. It literally came this morning. Also, it was super fast shipping. I ordered it on the 1st of January and it came today. Today is the 8th. Yes, the 8th of January. So it took about 7 days, but if you take away working days, it was about 5 working days, so that's really good. Drum roll please, because we are here to reveal the wig because I am so excited about this. Look at the color that I got, guys. It is like a deep burgundy berry color. Like, I absolutely love this color. I wasn't sure if it would suit me. Plus, when I dye human hair, I try get it to this color, but it never works out for me. So synthetic seems to be the way to go if you want vibrant wigs like this. But it is a ombre, so it goes from dark to the color. Let me take the hairnet off. So it does come with a hairnet, and this is it. It is 22 inches, so it is really long. And it is slightly kind of curled or a little bit kicked up to give it that little bit of body and wave. It feels super soft. It does feel like it will tangle a little bit, but nothing crazy like, you know, some synthetic wigs tangle like mad. But this one, you can run your fingers through it without hassle. And the color, girl, it is so vibrant and gorgeous. I love this wig already and I haven't even put it on. So of course it does come with a lace closure. Okay, it seems to be like a frontal because it goes all the way across. So you have lace all the way across. You can of course customize it. It does come with a little mini part, but of course I will be plucking it and putting concealer and stuff. And inside the wig you do get 2 front combs. You get one in the middle as well, and then you get an adjustable strap in the back. So it's a very well constructed wig. It was 28 quid, guys, and honestly the quality looks amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this wig on, and then I'll come back and let you guys see how it looks on, my thoughts on it, and yeah.
The way it is, said his body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like his mom went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. I said somebody's got to take care of him. So I quit school, that's what I did. Hit her with a fast car. We were cruising at 10 ourselves. Still ain't got a job. Not working the market as a check.
Okay girlies, and I'm back. So here we have the final wig. I am obsessed. Look at this color. It actually laid really well. I of course could have done more plucking, but I'm running out of time, so I need to go pick up my kids from school in like 10 minutes, so I need to wrap this up. Even for the small amount of plucking and customizing I did, it looks super bomb. It looks almost real. That's real hair. I mean, not like real, my hair real, but like real human hair. It looks super silky and soft. It does shed and it does tangle, but nothing compared to like the really cheap synthetic. This one almost gives me like Sensational or Outre, or what's the other ones, sleek synthetic wigs. It gives me like those high quality wigs, and they are around about 30-40 pounds as well. So yeah, this wig is right up that type of alley. So if you have tried like Freetress Equal or Outre or Sensational wigs before, this is exactly the same type of quality, but it's just from AliExpress. And also the Freetress Equal and the Sensational wigs, they cost like £39 here in the UK. You can get it from like eBay. They're not readily available, or you can go to obviously the black hair shop and get a wig there, but they're usually like £39. This is 28, so it's definitely cheaper than buying it like in the UK. It looks super gorgeous. I didn't think this color would suit me as much as it does, but I am obsessed with this color. I love the style of it. I probably will cut it a little bit more, just because it is really super long, but the color I am obsessed with. The actual hair itself is really good quality. However, the sides of the hair, of course, because it does have the comb right there, it does pull on your edges, so I'm not quite sure, you know, how you're gonna feel about that. But the actual lace front itself is really nice, guys. It's really well constructed. I love the hair. It feels really soft, and it doesn't tangle that much. Like, I can run my hands through it and it doesn't look super tangled. I love this color. Of course, they did have other colors, but this is just the one that I decided to go with because I have so many black, that it does tangle a little bit, guys, but I have so many black wigs, so I decided to go for something, you know, colorful. But with these type of synthetic wigs, I wouldn't recommend like constantly running your hands through it. I would definitely say like wear it, and then when it does get tangled, just take like a tangle teaser type of brush and just brush it through, probably once every hour, depending on, you know, how active you're being. But it does brush through relatively easy. For £28, guys, honestly, it's a really good quality wig. Now, to lay it flat at the top, I did go in with the Texture My Way stretch and set styling foam. It's just a styling foam and it holds things in place. So I put that down so it lays the frontal, and then I wrapped it, of course, for like 5 minutes so it sets. So overall, guys, this is a really good affordable wig. £28. It looks absolutely flawless. It looks like human hair that you've, you know, taken your time to dye, which I haven't. I'm not quite sure if the wig is heat safe. I haven't tried to straighten it myself, but it probably is, because this type of synthetic fibers usually can stand up to 200 or 300 degrees. But I do need to check the description before I test it out, because I don't want to burn this absolutely gorgeous color. But overall, guys, highly recommend this wig. Of course, all links will be listed down in the description box. I do also have a blonde one from the same seller, so do keep your eyes out for that video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.